which isn't to say, dancing isn't fun and drinking boba tea isn't fun for people, but it really lacks that depth and connection. And I do find um, that many teens are willing to talk to me as somebody who is asking direct questions, inviting, and also as a therapist, confidentiality is a part of the territory. What we talk about is private, but I do find that a lot of teens really struggle to talk to each other about deeper things. And I find that very unfortunate. I mean, it's great to have an adult that you can trust, parent, therapist, whoever, but there's so much value that I think you can get from your peers. And like, yeah, like life is hard right now, or instead everything kind of seems like you kind of joke if you're not doing well. Being able to get that like peer to peer, like, oh, you're having a hard time, I'm here for you, right? Like that kind of connection.
Yeah.
And because everything needs to be light and fluffy and funny. And that's
Mhm.
a real disservice, I think, to kids in your generation.